Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you a very best website for the article submission. You can consider this site definitely for your article submission because this site will provide you a do follow backlink and you guys will create a very precise and the perfect article submission on this site. The layout is very perfect and the easy just to you guys will create your article. And the main benefit of this website, your backlinks should be going to index through this website. And the another thing guys, because how why I'm saying this guys, because some while ago I created backlink on this site and I checked the backlink was indexed in Google database, so that would be great. And the another thing guys, it doesn't matter to what is your category, your business category. There are a lot of categories this site having, kind of a product, tech, health, marketing, travel, business, educations. They have a lot of category, so definitely no doubt you guys will consider this site for your article submission. So this is a statics of this website. And the another thing, according to href, the domain rating is 67, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 43 and the spam score is 7%. So yeah, it's considerable, not doesn't matter. And if you can check this website traffic, so you guys will see this website having a 12.3k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from Saudi Arabia, India, Vietnam, Pakistan, Ukraine, and another country. So if you wanting to drive traffic from that kind of countries and the crawlability, then this is a best website. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the right button, and you will see there is a three option to we can consider the sign up with email. There you guys will add your full name, your company name, then you guys will choose your username, then you guys will add your email address. So let me copy my email and put it here, and there you guys will choose your password. After that you can click on the next button, and after you can click on the agree. This site will send you the verification email. So awesome, you can click on this and save the password, and you can check your Gmail. Yeah, I received a confirmation email. You can click on the verify email. Yeah, here it is, and our account is verified. This is a account name. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. There is no need to you guys will optimize your profile or anything. First, directly you guys will click on the create a new page, click on the new page button, and from there are multiple templates, so you can choose any of template according to your interest and your business nature. But I can consider a blank template. Click on the use, and here it is. This is your page. Click on the draft button, and there is a edit button. You can click on this. So this is your final dashboard, so where you guys will optimize. So there you can add your title. So I have already generated my human resource management, navigating the human resource management and the embarrassing diversity. So this is a title, so there you guys will add your title, and the later I can generate a description. So generate a short meta description. So let me generate a short description through the AI. Generate short description for this article. keep sort under 165 characters. Yeah, here it is. So we successfully easily generated our description, and we can also add a human resource management category. So category is recruitment, HR, and human resource management, teamwork. Okay, so we successfully added. So now the next thing what we can start, you can see there is a edit dashboard. So you guys will drag your title here, and you can click double click, there you can put your title. So my title is this is the my title. You can put your title here. So I think this is something longer. So what I can do, so the role of human resource management in embarrassing diversity, and there we can drag a image. So we can also include image, so that could be the look like a, a optimized content. So you can click double click, click on the local file, and you guys will upload your blog image. Click on the apply button, and you will see we have added. After, you can see the second number is paragraph. You can drag your paragraph element, and there you guys will add your article. So I have already generated and optimized my article, and also I added a hyperlink in my content, so that could be make me to I can put my content easily. So let me put my content. Yeah, here it is. You can paste manually as well, but I have already optimized my tag and all the things, so that's why I can consider to do these things. Yeah, here it is. Okay, I guess there is something yeah, so all the things are optimized, content are pretty well optimized, and you will see how your hyperlink are looking. You can see this is a perfect article, na? And if you wanting to insert a hyperlink, so you can select your keyword easily. So let me click double click, and you can select your keyword, and you will see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this. There you can put your website URL. I'm just doing these things for your example. Click on the enter button, and if you wanting, you can make it bold as well. So I wanting to remove these things because I already optimized my content, and the make I can also make it unbold. So you will see this is a very simple process to you guys will optimize and add your article in this website. And if you're wanting to insert any image, any section, so you can simply click on the next button, enter button, and you can insert a image, video, audio, or anything whatever you want. So there are a lot of features. Okay, so we have successfully added, and what we can do next, you guys will click on the share button, and you will see you can click on the link, and this is your landing page. And if I can show you in incognito, so you will see this is a instant approved backlink. Okay, I guess let me see if I guess there are something. Okay, so let me click on the done. Let me open in new tab because I recently published one article. I guess there are something server or technical issue might be going on. What the things happening of this? Saved, view saved. I guess I guess there are some technical issue might be, because recently I published one article on this site, and if I can click on the control shift T, and you will see what I have recently published. So just anything, I guess anything are going something uh, unnecessary things on this site might be, so that's why these things are happen. If I can click on the home page. Oh, might be there are a server unavailable issue. So I guess at that time there is a server issue are going with this website. So this is the same method you guys will follow, and this is your article. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow. Oh, I can't do these things right now. But the thing is, you can believe this, guys. This is a 100% do follow backlink, do follow article submission backlink, and the another thing you guys will I also covered the same process. You can follow the same process, and you can definitely, you guys will publish your article on this site, because a couple of days ago I published an article and the article was indexed. So that's why I'm doing that much effort to, you guys will definitely create your article on this site. Okay, at that time in this site there are going a server unavailable issue. So this is a technical issue, this site will going to resolve very quickly. So yeah, so this is the process for the article submission on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, where you guys will access easily. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so you guys will connect with me personally through the social media. You guys will connect with me social media. And okay, I forget what what I wanted to say. And you guys will easily going to communicate with me. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.